One of the roadblocks you're likely to face in your manifestation journey is not knowing how to start and where to start. In this video, I will explain in detail not only how to start your manifestation process, but also you will acquire the right mindset that is required for manifesting anything that you want. This knowledge will equip you to effortlessly, easily, and joyfully get you to the life of your dreams. Interested? Let's jump right in. Just before we get into this, please take the time now to pause this video for a bit and subscribe to my channel. Do you think my channel is offering you insights and value? Please like this video and share it with your friends, acquaintances, and family. Okay, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to understand is that you are not separate from the universe. You are a part of it. You are that part of it that can experience life. The universe can experience life only through you. Understand that the universe without you cannot experience anything. It needs you as part of itself to experience life so that it can experience itself through you. That's the reason why you're here. You're here to experience life. And when you experience life, the universe experiences it through you. The universe, on the other hand, has infinite potential. It can create whatever you ask it to create for you. So, in short, the universe can cook up absolutely anything that you desire, but it cannot experience it without you. It can create but cannot experience. On the other hand, you can experience anything that comes about as your life experience, but just by yourself, you cannot create anything. When you truly connect with the universe, the circuit is complete, so to say. Now, the universe can experience anything it wants through you, and you can create whatever you want through the universe. The first step in your manifestation journey, therefore, starts with this understanding. And this is quite a relief, isn't it? That the universe is always on your side. And it is also clear that you don't have the desire. You don't have the desire. The universe has the desire. and it is fulfilling it through you. Many people possess a certain level of guilt to accept that they have a desire. That's not just an unnecessary burden to carry, but it also creates blocks that create resistance in their manifestation. So don't feel guilty that you have a desire. It is the universe that has a desire, that it fulfills it through you. Accept it happily, joyfully. And I hope this explanation by itself has liberated you from the notion that desires are bad, it is selfish to have a desire, etc. Now that you are clear about the universe and your relationship with it, the next question is, how can I get to what I want in my life, and how can I use the infinite power and the infinite potential that the universe offers to me? The first step in connecting with the universe is the decision. Let me elaborate on that. So, first and foremost, you need to decide what exactly it is that you are looking for. Is it money? Is it a soulmate? Is it freedom? The ability to live your life on your own terms? Is it health? Is it healing? Or is it anything else you are looking for? Whatever it is, understand that since you have the universe on your side, you can create it. Understand that there are no limitations in your ability to create. However, you need to establish a connection of your consciousness with the universe. And the way to do that is to simply decide what you want and to decide what you're going to do to get it. That's it. That's all it takes to connect with the universe. So, for example, you could decide to go after $1,000,000 and then start to believe that no matter what, you are going to get to that. That's a decision. Here is the interesting thing that happens. The moment you decide that you are going to get $1,000,000 or that perfect soulmate, the universe creates your $1,000,000 or your perfect soulmate then and there. Bam! Understand this. The moment you decide with intensity that you desire something, that something is created by the universe then and there. The universe has infinite potential and it is timeless. So, it can create anything instantaneously. You just need to give that signal to the universe to create it for you. And that signal is your heartfelt, high intensity decision
to experience your desired outcome. Now, what remains is how exactly the universe is going to deliver that manifestation to you in this three-dimensional time-space reality that you operate in. The universe will try to deliver it to you based upon your level of readiness to receive it, based upon your level of readiness to receive it. Hence, it is now up to you how you are going to raise your vibration to the receiving of it. Because that vibration or that emotional set point is the place where the universe is going to meet you to deliver what it is that you desire. My entire channel is dedicated to the raising of your vibration and getting into that emotional set point. So go ahead and look up on techniques and methods and ways and means to do this. For the purpose of this video, we have decided only how to get started on your manifestation journey and to offer an understanding of what it means to take a decision and the realization of the right mindset needed to get to that place. Okay, so with that, we have come to the end of yet another video. Did you like it? Please put in the comments below. I would appreciate that. So thanks for the video, and I will come up with yet another one soon. Thank you.